What to do when workers' compensation checks don't come or are lost or stolen. The attorneys at Jackson & Jackson explain, the issue here is when to request a stop payment on a check that has not arrived. If you do this too soon, the check could show up, but you won't be able to cash it, and you will have to wait usually around 1 to 2 weeks for the replacement check. You can check with your post office if any mail is pending for you. If your check is more than 4 days late and there is no holidays, it's time to call your claims adjuster and advise them to check with their bank to see if the check has cleared or not. If not, you will need to tell them to stop payment and reissue the check. They will need up to 5 days to get bank confirmation if the check is cleared or not. Once confirmed it has not cleared, they will reissue, usually within 1 working day. If the check has cleared, they require you to sign an affidavit that you did not receive the check. They will reissue. Work comp attorneys know how to take care of this issue for you. The attorneys at Jackson & Jackson help injured workers every day to get their claims and medical treatment authorized. So they have the best opportunity to recover from their work injuries quickly and get back to work as soon as possible.